Okay, Dad, what are you doing?
Oh, hi, Pumpkin. Isn't this beautiful woodwork on the floor?
Wait, what is that thing?
Oh, it's just my old Polaroid. I was taking pictures of the floor, just in case anything happens and we need to make an insurance claim.
Dad, you've heard of home replacement costs, right?
Sure.
Do you have 60 seconds to talk about home replacement costs? Because I can help make it clear for you. Did you know that more than half of homeowners in the country don't have enough insurance on their home? Here's one reason why. When you think of how much your house is worth, you tend to think of its market value. It's either how much you paid for it, or how much you would be able to sell it for on the open market. But in insurance, there's a different way of looking at it. It's called home replacement cost. This is the amount it would cost to rebuild your home from scratch in the event of a total loss. This includes costs like labor, permits, fees, contractors, even debris removal. But for most homeowners, building a home from scratch may be more expensive than buying one in the same neighborhood, especially if replacing your home calls on special materials or expert craftsmanship. And that's why we're covered for home replacement cost. The choice for your coverage is clear: The Hanover. Contact us today to learn more and to get a quote.
So that's what you do all day on that thing. Oh,